Welcome back, Falcons. I've lost my singular new viewer because my delay sucked. Okay. Whoa. Oh, so good. Okay, let's it can be the new guy. Finally, a replacement for the old guy. Just chuck him into pictures where everything else goes. How do I change the guy again? It's just 10 times bigger than everything else. Let them sit down there. There we go. There we go. Okay. Just replying to 6,000 messages for anything else. Where'd the chat go? You're not a bot? Is he breathing too heavily? Let me get a better look at him. I just turned it off. The delay's gone now, right? It should be like, I chose ultra low. And that's as low as it goes. I think his breathing's fine. I mean, he's cold, right? You breathe more when you're cold. You breathe heavier when you're cold. Okay, it's good. I like his little, what are those called? Tie? Is that tie? I guess it's, I don't know if it's a tie, like a bow tie? Ah. Maybe that's what it is. I keep losing the chat thing, hold on. Why is the OBS default chat thing so awful? Is there a reason they do it that way? Maybe just bring up the regular YouTube one again. Do they just intentionally make it bad? So you go to YouTube anyway? Okay, pop out chat. We're in there, boys. Okay. Did Michael leave? No. Come back. What was I doing? I'm totally context switched out of here. What the hell was I working on? Saving. I feel like I wrote some code there. I don't know where it is now. Was that a shared dream? Where'd the code go? It's here, it's here. Right. We're gonna see if this works. Yes. Yeah, I guess that's just... How can I make this event start really quickly? Debug mode. Right, debug mode. Export var debug mode. What kind of animations will this Prince guy do? Like, apart from like his idle animation. Or will he just mostly be idle? It's fine if he is. And I assume he'll just be floating in one place most of the time anyway. Debug mode. 2 attack animations? Okay. That sounds good. The debug mode is on just just do event start, I guess. Where's event start? Event start runs. Runs nothing apparently. Why? When does save run? Guess I should run here. Yeah, just run event start on event start. Saving immediately. I should probably say this looks poor saving it. Dictionary. Well, the attack animations be like what will they be? If you know. Because I'm really tempted to... I kind of want ice physics, even though I hate ice physics. But like, that's what makes ice physics so soulful. That no one wants them. Or at least have debug mode on, right? No. Then go. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Something happened. Did it save? Game has been saved. Where is the save file? Where do I find it? So he's like yeah, and then some stuff appears behind it. Yeah. Because he's like magic, right? That's the best thing about being magic, is that you don't need to move. What is this thing that scene? There's nothing. Why is this here? Let's delete you. Thing.scene. No. That's good. Because then I think all bosses in games like this they shouldn't be like too complicated, right? The complicated stuff comes from their attacks and all that shit. Where did the save file go? Is it real? Did it happen? Maybe the terminal will tell me. No. Wait, I'm so confused. Where did this go? It said it saved the game, but there's no save file. Yeah, exactly right. I don't want to go through that either because I also have to deal with animations, and I don't want to do that. Maybe the tutorial will tell me where this has been saved. It did say it's saved. Game saved. Loading is fairly simple as well. For that, yeah, I guess we can just read, but like where did it get saved to? Maybe it's like on... How do you find stuff in a terminal again? TLDR find. The search for the missing save file. What did I call the save file? I mean, there's some red here. Maybe it didn't actually save. That's just timer stuff. No one cares about the timer. No one cares about your timer. Attempting to save game. Open user save game.save. So it should be called save game.save. Let's run this level again. What the fishy's going on here? Something a bit weird's going on here. let's do some detective work. How to use find, right? Find root path, so I guess we'll try here, and the name is save game, or it ends in dot save, right? So it's the star dot save. It found absolutely nothing, okay? Is this actually working? I'll go to TSCN. Yeah, it finds a bunch of them. Okay, let's try. Can you do recursive searching? Yes. Is it always recursive? It must be, okay. Let's try it in documents. Dot save. Nothing. Let's try it in the root. It's gonna run for a while. Godot can't find the save file. Save me, Google. Cannot find tab of these. Okay, now I was trying to search places that I don't really wanted to search. Stop. Stop. This is also from Pokemon. Good Pokemon stuff today. Loading saving not working. This is exactly how I'm doing it. I copied your functions. This is the worst part about being a programmer when someone says I tried it and it worked. Wow, thank you. That's great, dude. But let's try to change it to res instead of user. I don't know why it says user. I was on the example. Hello, I need help. This code is not working. Well, it works for me. Okay. Is there something here now? No. There's nothing. Attempting to save game. It does, and then prints the dictionary, which looks fine. Looks normal. Last completed level. Collected dogs, which is none for this level. Then it says game has been saved, implying that it did do something. It tried to write the file. Let's go back. What we need to do is go back. Oh wait, there is a save game, but why is it not showing up in the editor? Huh? Did I just get memed on? If I search for it, it doesn't show up. Weird, man. Is this a JSON file? Let's find out. Save vim save game dot save. Yeah, it's just a regular ass JSON file, but I guess that's fine, right? It doesn't need to be anything more. We can even make it look fancy in the terminal. Wow. Okay, crisis averted, I guess. We can save the game. The game can be saved. But can the game be loaded? The answer is no, it can't yet. I guess there should be an extra button. If there's a save game, there should be a button that says load. That's the last thing I'm gonna do today, and then I'm gonna relax and not listen to Yoshi's Island, because I don't like Yoshi's Island that much. What do I want to listen to? So many options, so little time. Oh, I'd put some Tekken music, man. They got good music in Tekken. Or they would do if I had my volume on. Ah! One more button. One more button. It's just a duplicate of the last button, except it's called load button. And it says load, and not start. And he's initially invisible, I guess? Unless there's a save game. I guess you can just do that in here if you're ready. File to check equals file button. Okay, this way. Equals directory .new. Directory dot file exists, and it's just res, right? // save game dot save. Start button. If file exists, so it should be invisible to start with, which it is. Then canvas layer / load button dot visible equals true. Let's print this out. File exists? Question mark. Okay, the file does exist, so if I now delete the file, it shouldn't be there, right? Yep, cool. That's it, I'm done. Saving now works, but not loading. But loading will probably be just as easy as saving. But right now there's not anywhere we can load to. Let's turn debug mode off for this before I forget. Oh, I'm kind of glad that was kind of easy, but I'm glad I actually did it. I always forget to do this. It's like the most basic function, but like the game kind of doesn't stand on its own without it. Can save the game now, yay! Yay! Push. Ah, oh, damn, it's late. Dude, what the fuck happened? This is not what the New Year's resolution should have resolved to. Let's check out the repository. I like looking at the repository after committing, as if I don't know exactly what I'm about to look at. What do you do so late? I guess you're working on stuff, right? But isn't it kind of lonely? Yeah. Yeah, I wish that it's kind of different when you. Isn't that different when you have a job? Don't you have a job? Don't you have places to be in the morning? 149 commits. That's a lot of commits. When was the first commit? I'm kind of curious. The very, very first commit. I wonder what it even said. Going in tired after sleeping at 3 is very different from going in tired after sleeping at like 1 or 2. God, I wish my job started at 14. Actually, I don't, because then I get home at like 7. Or later than that. Wow, initial project. June 4th. That's when the game officially started. How many months goes that? Like 7 months now? That's 8 months, right? it's a long time. It's a long time. But to be fair, it was like technically there was like a month off and then Christmas. You know, they had like summer off, right? Yeah, like July's pretty barren, right? Nothing really happened in July. So it's fine. So actually it's only like 5-6 months. Yeah, I hope not. I really hope not. Jesus. Nah, we're getting there. As long as I keep doing stuff every day, it's fine. Eventually we'll reach an end, it has to. Okay, maybe I'll play a game then. And then go to bed because I got work. I recently got back into Final Fantasy 14, which was a bad idea. Because that game just sucks the time out of you without you thinking about anything else. But I'm not going to stream that because it's boring. Maybe I'll stream... Stream something weird that no one would ever watch. Let's do that. I played a really sick game recently actually. Let's stream that. Once I figure out how to turn my computer on. I wish the Mac could use the... Can you hear the computer when I turn it on? It sounds like a jet engine whenever you turn it on. Quit Godot. Yes, please. And quit this. And quit that. Okay. Is it all over now? I will return with the video game, maybe. It's kind of late actually, maybe let's go to bed. Nah, I need to record stuff anyway for my video, so that will be an excuse.